Apana ere ane namba muponere zisore gondo. Apana ere ane namba muponere zisore gondo. Pane masele bagabuda offside nezuro. Pane masele bagabuda offside nezuro. Eti noi now. Peshona kwete chindau. Zichiverengwa naye when you skimba no fumura no itama.
Team yangu ndipo mkuja se katadzoka zvakare zvirikupisa naskimbo aiwa kazvirikupisa tokupai team yangu pasatapinda pane zvirikupisa zvanasika nongobayo button subscribe so that musare pane zvese zvichiitika zvirikupisa pazviri TV handiti asi kana wakasubscribe kudhara zvako aiwa ngoma ndiyo tokosifambira nyaya dzacho handiti tiri mastreets ari kupisa boys dzangu
kune manudzi enyu ari uko. Oh, my husband is aware of that. It's just another bitter ex, so that's not a story anyway that I should be even talking about, because my husband had those pictures way before you guys. So now this is just an ex trying to get his revenge because he thinks now it's time for me to put out those pictures so that she see Annie. But it's a thing of the past. You can never use someone's past to destroy their future. It's not gonna work, okay? It's not gonna work. Hanzi kune manudzi enyu ari uko nema pictures. No, it's just another bitter ex was like. But it is all under control and it's not something that I want to discuss. I no longer have time to discuss my exes on social media. I'm a married woman and I don't need to address an ex to say we'll work with my photos, but you know, dear ex, just move on. Your time came and it passed, and heal and move on. You can find a better wife who's way better than me as well. In this life, I'm not the best wife. That's why we don't know. You know. And I actually think that's what making that ex bitter, because nditoro munaribo in some other angles that you don't know. So, you know, heal and move on. That's life. You don't really have to justify it by putting pictures and all. By now you should be having a girlfriend. I don't even know why you don't have a girlfriend. You know? By now you should be having a girlfriend, considering you've got a life and you've got, you know. By now I was thinking, you now have a girlfriend. It's clear that you don't have a girlfriend, because if you had a girlfriend, you were going to respect, you know, you were going to respect the fact that you have someone, but it's clear that you don't have, and you're still stalking me. Now you're releasing stupid pictures. It's not worth it. My husband is aware and he knows. And he truly understands. That's how honest I was. I told him, okay, yeah, vanhu vakadana navanotoita mapictures, vanoshare mapictures, vanopostana mapictures, vanosenderana mapictures, you know. So, hazvina basa izvozvo. I was just explaining kune munhu ari kufunga kuti I'm not aware. No, I'm aware, but hazvina basa. It's not news. Yeah? It's not news. So I'm doing makeup with my daughter's products so that you see the outlook of the makeup. We are not described by our past, guys. We are described by our future. Whatever that happens or that happened in your past, haifani kukumisa. Haifani kana utombo kudisturba. Wasu and this corner powder, you know. Tell that ex to move on. I moved on. I'm in a happy space. You know, we all have a past. And you can't be labeled because of your past. You can't be labeled because of your past. And you apana chinonakidza se apana chinhu chakadhakwa sekugara uchiunzira munhu and in America releasing something, and yeah, the ex is in America, so help me so that I want to sue him, because the ex is in America and I want to sue him. I'm not going to fight, but I think I have to sue this ex, because I don't see the reason why he should be doing that. You understand? Anotoriwo kunyika ine mtemo, but ane guts enough kureleasa just to destroy. Right. Now, I'm applying hair powder, okay? Fifi powder. I'm applying it right now. So you see how it sits on this, on the skin, and I actually think ngocha ungazoti murume pindira nyaya dzangu dzema ex, because my husband is not a noisy person, he's a peaceful somebody. You know, I was gonna ask him, can you sue this person on my behalf? But he can't be involved in my past, you know. He can't be involved in my past. I would have asked, can you sue this person on my behalf, because you live in the same country? But anyway, my husband is not a drama person like his wife. And like his wife, akatosiyana.
Apana ere ane namba muponere zisore gondo. Apana ere ane namba muponere zisore gondo. Pane masele bagabuda offside nezuro. Pane masele bagabuda offside nezuro. Eti noi now. Peshona kwete chindau. Tichiverengwa naye when you skimba no fumura no itama.